Hello everyone, in this video we'll learn how to describe our project in interview. So this is a basics Power BI project. If you are a fresher, then how to describe a project to an interview in your experience, so you can add your own personal project or you are doing in company that project you define here. So now let's start it. So first of all, we start your project description with introduction. So I have mentioned some points to structure your project. So this is all. First I for introduction. So you can introduce what is your project and what is project domain and how you can do, what can you do in this project. So basically, if I say, for example, the objective of this project was to analyze customer transaction in data and identify patterns and trends that could help increase the sales and improve all over the business performance. So this is our intro, and this is e-commerce platform. And the second is problem. So what is the problem on this? So this is the same problem because they have a number of data which is stored in their database. He don't know how to use this data to visualize and increase their all our performance. So what we have to do? So in this we define the problem as a problem as he's a sales, but he don't know where he use the sales more to improve more company strength. So this is the main goal of the project. Pinpoint. You can describe the pinpoint or problem of the company or of the problem which you solve doing the data analysis part. So the third one is role. What is your role as of there? So the role as a BI, as a engineer, we have cleaned the data and we have performed ETL pipeline. So we extract data from the multiple data sets such as their online stored websites. So collect data such as transaction data, demographic demographic data, and all our which is needed for the analysis part. And we create a working on the report side. And the fourth one is contribution. What is your contribution? As a developer, you create in documentation for the client. So such as a dashboard where he can get the raw data into a useful insights for the company. So this is your contributions. And how can you describe this point? So just collect the data transaction from the company online store and include information such as company demographics, purchase history, product details, and clean the data. And again, use some data normalization and missing values impute. And after that, we have the timeline analysis part. We summarize the data using the descriptive statistics or data visualization technique, or you can use also some mean median modes to and standard way to distribute to know the distribution of the sales data and create the visualizations such as a histogram, pie chart, and line chart to show the trends, show the distributions of the distribution of the data and how the company performance well or not. After that, you have timeline here, when to start the project and when to end the project. So the project is taking all over taking 1 month timelines to complete all over the projects. And what is the outcome? So you basically define the outcome key with the help of KPI, business KPI. We create a dashboard where he so manage their data and increase the sales or to focus on the strong area, or you can discard or add new items to experiment on the data set. So these all over things where you can include your project interview and describe your project. So I saw example, there is an example which I mention or I paste here. So I give you a link in the descriptions, so you can format format this according to your data, according to your project which you created on your resume. Okay, so now I have give you some. So good morning everyone. So thank you for the opportunity to present my project. I recently completed a data analysis project in the e-commerce domain. So where I aim to understand customized purchasing behavior and improve the sales purchase. So the main objective of the project was to analyze customer transaction data and identify patterns or trends that could help increase sales and improve all over the business. So you understand? And then collect the transaction data from the company online store and include some information such as customer demographics, purchase history, and product details, and so on. And after that, I clean the data and remove unwanted or inconsistency or the missing values and perform the basic pre-processing tasks such as data transformation, data normalization on the data sets. After that, we have again store the data in the database, and we go for the next part for the analysis. For the analysis, I use the combinations of the descriptive statistics and the data visualization technique. So I calculate, summarize the statistics. So you can use the mean, median, mode, and the standard deviation, and some distributions of the sales to understand the distribution of the sales. And I created a visualization such as histogram, pie chart, line graph, and so many. So find that relationship between the data, and all over. After that, we through the analysis, I found the customer between the age of 25 and 34 account for the highest proportions of the sales. It means they have my main target audience. So additionally, the product in the electronic category were the most popular among the customers. So I observed that a seasonal trend in the sales were higher sales volume during the holidays. So we can make the inventory holiday increase. So the recommendations in in this all over data or project. So there the insight importance for the business. So based on the findings, I recommend targeting marketing efforts towards the 25 to 34 age. So he can target the audience of the age group of 25 to 34, and them promoting electronic products because they have more number of sales, and especially during the peak holidays seasons. So implement target marketing campaigns and offering discount on the popular sales. So that's why improve their business sales and revenue. So I hope all over you prepare this like this descriptions of all interview. So if you anything else, comment me below and like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.